Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. Is it safe to idle your car for weeks or months at a time? In this video, we'll delve into the various ways that sporadic or infrequent usage can impact your vehicle's health. From battery issues to engine problems, we'll cover the challenges that arise when a car is seldom driven and the precautions you can take to maintain your vehicle's condition. Join us as we uncover the hidden risks of infrequent car use and offer tips to keep your vehicle in top shape. The detrimental effects of infrequent car use. If you own a car that does not run on a regular basis, you may be facing a number of detrimental issues. A vehicle that sits idle for extended periods can experience a range of problems, including battery issues, tire damage, and engine malfunctions. We will explore the various challenges that can arise from not driving your car regularly and provide tips on how to mitigate these issues to keep your vehicle in optimal condition. Increased wear and tear effects on engine components. When a car is left sitting for extended periods, the engine components are subjected to increased wear and tear. The lack of regular use can lead to oil settling, causing corrosion in the cylinders and pistons. Additionally, the lack of lubrication from infrequent use can result in damage to the bearings and other moving parts within the engine, leading to potential problems and costly repairs. Impact on braking system. The braking system of a car that does not run on a regular basis can be significantly affected. Infrequent use can cause corrosion on the brake rotors and drums, as well as the brake lines. This can compromise the overall braking performance and effectiveness, posing safety risks for the driver and passengers. Additionally, brake pads can experience uneven wear, leading to reduced efficiency and potential failure when the car is finally put back into use. Buildup of deposits. Building up of deposits in a car that is not running on a regular basis can lead to various detrimental issues that affect the overall performance and longevity of the vehicle. Fuel system issues. When a car is left sitting for extended periods, the fuel inside the tank can deteriorate and leave varnish-like deposits in the fuel system. These deposits can clog fuel lines, filters, and injectors, causing issues with fuel delivery and combustion. As a result, the engine may run rough, hesitate, or even fail to start altogether. Oil contamination. Another consequence of a car not being driven regularly is the potential contamination of the engine oil. Short trips or infrequent use can lead to moisture buildup in the engine, which can result in the formation of sludge and varnish in the oil. This contaminated oil can cause increased friction and wear on engine components, potentially leading to costly repairs and reduced engine lifespan. Regular oil changes and driving can help mitigate this issue. In essence, the buildup of deposits in the fuel system and engine oil due to irregular vehicle usage can lead to a host of problems that can jeopardize the functionality and reliability of the car. Regular maintenance and driving can help prevent and alleviate these issues. Deterioration of tires, flattened spots. When a car remains stationary for an extended period, its tires are prone to developing flattened spots. These spots occur when the weight of the vehicle presses down on the same area of the tire for an extended period of time, causing the rubber to become deformed. As a result, when the car is driven again, the flattened spots can lead to vibrations and an uneven ride, reducing the overall comfort and safety of the vehicle. Dry rot. Another issue that can arise from infrequent use of a car is the development of dry rot in the tires. This occurs when the rubber compound of the tires deteriorates due to exposure to oxygen and environmental elements. The lack of regular movement and flexing of the tires can accelerate this process, leading to cracks and weakness in the rubber. As a consequence, the tires may become more prone to blowouts and other hazardous situations while driving. By understanding these common issues related to the deterioration of tires in cars that do not run on a regular basis, you can take preventive measures to maintain the safety and performance of your vehicle. Battery degradation. Car batteries can suffer from various issues when a vehicle is not used regularly, leading to degradation that affects their performance and lifespan. Two common factors contributing to this degradation are sulfation and voltage drain. Sulfation. Sulfation occurs when lead sulfate crystals form on the battery plates due to prolonged disuse. This process can impede the chemical reactions necessary for the battery to function optimally. Over time, the accumulation of lead sulfate can diminish the battery's capacity and ability to hold a charge, ultimately leading to a shortened lifespan and decreased efficiency. Voltage drain. When a car is not in regular use, its battery can experience voltage drain, which is the gradual loss of charge over time. Parasitic draws from the vehicle's electrical systems, such as security alarms or onboard computers, can contribute to this phenomenon. Without regular recharging through the alternator, this continual drain can lead to a weakened battery, reducing its ability to start the vehicle and power essential electrical components. By understanding the impact of sulfation and voltage drain on a car's battery, drivers can take proactive measures to mitigate these detrimental effects, ensuring reliable performance and prolonged battery life. Regular maintenance and periodic charging can help combat these issues, preserving the battery's functionality and enhancing overall vehicle reliability. In conclusion, owning a car that does not run on a regular basis can lead to a myriad of detrimental issues. From mechanical problems to financial strain, the consequences of neglecting regular use and maintenance can be significant. It's crucial to prioritize regular maintenance and usage of your vehicle to avoid these issues and ensure the longevity of your car. By staying proactive and attentive to your vehicle's needs, you can mitigate the potential downsides of a car that sits idle for extended periods. Thank you for watching our discussion on the detrimental effects of infrequent car use. If you found this information useful or insightful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and sharing it with anyone who might benefit. To stay updated with more insightful content on car maintenance and tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear about your experiences or any other topics you'd like us to cover, so drop a comment below. Until next time, drive safely and make sure to give your vehicle the care it deserves. Thank you for watching.